Hi everyone. I'm going to make this video about what gold coins to buy, and I'll also include some talk about silver coins as well since we have this. What I have here on the screen is Peter Schiff's, it's a recent report that he has done on how to avoid gold scams, and he talks about a lot of things, and I'll put the link to that uh, under this video, but at some point he gets to what to buy. And I want to highlight here gold eagles. These are a great thing to buy. So I'm just going to go through these products here and talk about them. So I like gold eagles. They're fine. It's not the only thing to buy. Some people don't like the fact that they're not 24 karat gold. You see here, this is a 91.67% gold, so that makes it a 22 karat product. It's got a little bit of silver in it and a little bit of copper. That doesn't mean you get any less gold. So if it's a 1 ounce gold coin, the total coin weighs more than 1 ounce. And but then it also includes the silver and the copper. So there you go. That's a great product to buy. But if you want 24 karat, you can go and you can get yourself maple leafs. These are great. They're beautiful coins. They have a different finish. You can even see in these pictures here, this one's got a little bit more of a mirror-like finish to it, and it's 24 karat, so it's softer. Uh, and the eagle here has a more copper look to it, and that reflects the extra copper and silver in there. It gives it a different finish. The 22 karat, the reason why you might want that is it's a little bit more durable. It's a little bit more resistant to scratches and things. And when you go to sell it, scratches become an issue. Every coin dealer will look at it under a microscope, or not a microscope, but a magnifying glass, and look for scratches. And when they find them, they'll nickel and dime you. I need to take $10 off for this and $5 off for that. And so you do want to keep them in good condition, and the 22 karat gives you a chance to do that a little bit more easily. But the maple leafs are great. Notice here he also has silver maple leafs and silver eagles. These are also great coins to get. And the place where you buy them, you can find them on the internet. You can buy them at places like Monex or Kitco, or all the places that advertise, on TV like Goldline and Midas Resources. All those places have it. Their prices are comparable. You do have to pay for shipping when you order it from those companies, but you might like the convenience of just being able to pick up a phone and having it show up at the post office down the line. Now, sometimes it does take a month or 2 months, when the demand is high for you to get your product. But all of those companies are that you see advertising, they're going to deliver your product to you, so you don't have to really worry about that. The best way to buy these things is to buy them locally at your coin shop. None of these big outlets that you see advertising on TV are ever going to be able to beat a local price. So uh, that's just the best way to go. Now, you may not find somebody you trust nearby, and so you're going to want to you're going to feel more comfortable maybe buying it from a big company that you see advertising, like a Monex or Kitco or whatever you find on the internet. Um, you may just want to do it through them rather than some local guy. Plus, you may not feel comfortable walking into a store with thousands of dollars cash, or even a cashier's check. You might want to do your business through the mail. So there's reasons why you may want it delivered to you that aren't necessarily related to price. But you will get the best deal if you buy it locally. Now, notice here the denominations of these. You can get them in 1 ounce coins, half ounce, quarter ounce, and 1/10 ounce. And usually people go to the 1 ounce because that's where you get the best deal. But as the price of gold is increasing, people can't afford them, number one, but also people are going to want to have smaller pieces of gold. And so half ounce coins, quarter ounce coins, and 1/10 ounce coins are becoming really popular. But if you buy a 1/10 ounce coin, for instance, you should expect to pay 10% over spot. That's normal, at least. Sometimes it's 12. So you have to expect that, and if you don't want to pay that, then you want to just get the 1 ounce coins, get as large as possible. If you're still not satisfied with the price for 1 ounce coins, you should expect those to be 3 or 4% above spot price. That's normal. And so, don't get all mad when you say, well, the price is $1,800 an ounce, but you're charging me, 1850, 1860. That's going to be 3%, and so, you should expect to be paying at $1,800. If it's a 4%, you should be paying 1870 for your coin. And you can haggle that all you want, but you're not going to get it much lower than 3 or 4%. Locally, you can sometimes, if you know the guy and you have a good rapport with them, they'll sell it to you for maybe 1 or 2% over spot. It just depends. So you can shop around and really try to whittle that down as close as possible to the spot price, meaning the price that you see when you look up the price of gold on the internet. If it says $1,800 and you go into the store and they say it's 1870, you shouldn't really be surprised, because the making of the coin costs money, and you're going to pay for that. Okay, so I hope this helps. These are just two of the products. There are others. I'll maybe talk about those in the future. I saw this link and I liked it, so I thought I'd just make a video and talk about it. Okay, so go out and buy some eagles and gold maple leafs, and silver as well. Okay.